Running a machine shop is about transforming raw materials and getting it right the first time, because the clock keeps running while margins are on the line. Customers' needs change or costs begin rising. It's about creating parts, even the kind nobody sees, that keep the world running day in and day out. And working with a team that creates, adapts, and isn't afraid to push limits to solve real challenges. But no matter a shop's size, critical decisions like tooling strategies and digital machining partners can impact everything from production output to bottom lines, all while navigating rapidly advancing markets, supply chain breaks, and more. That's where Kennametal comes in. We cut through the noise with proven tooling solutions and real-world technical expertise that earn a space in your shop so you can focus on what you know how to do best. Create parts that build and power the world around us. We've been cutting metal since 1938. That's when founder Philip M. McKenna completely changed the game with revolutionary carbide tooling designed for taking on steel. It was a development that allowed customers to cut faster and longer across the globe and all markets. Decades later, our drive to innovate has only increased. From our custom solutions to tooling ready when you are, to additive expertise, sustainability services that cut costs, and constantly expanding product offerings built for the way real shops run today. We're ready for your most challenging operations. That means less downtime, boosted metal removal rates, and transformative savings, even for the most diverse and demanding machining. We don't cut corners. We cut metal, and your toughest materials don't stand a chance.